Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a common AdSense issue, which is you need to fix something to use AdSense. So if you're getting this issue, kindly watch the entire video to know how to fix the issue. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so that you can get notified on our new updates. So I'll show you the error I'm getting in AdSense. For that, go to AdSense and sign in to your Google account. So I have already signed in AdSense, so I'll show you the AdSense error I'm getting. So this is the error. You need to fix something to use AdSense. Please fix the issues we found so we cannot proceed with connecting your site. So if you're getting this account, this is basically you had an account earlier and you are trying to open an account now. So if you are sure that you don't have any other accounts, you can confirm using the checkbox and then submit an application. So if you submit the application, Google will review it. If you don't have any other account, they will create a new account for you, or else they will revert back saying that there is an account existing for you already, so please close it and then proceed with the new submission. So then again you need to follow the steps which I'm going to say. So what you need to do is go to your profile picker, click on that, and then you can see the option blue color link saying my account. Click on that. Once you click on my account, this will navigate you to your account page where you can see an option called payment and subscription to the left. So click on that. Once you click on payment and subscription, this will load a payments and subscription page where you can see the payments, purchases, subscription and reservations made. So once you find the option manage payments, click on that. This will open the payment center page. So once you are in the payment center page, you can find an option called as settings. So click on settings and then scroll down to the bottom until you find an option called close payment profile. As you can see, the close payment profile is present in my bottom, so click on that. So once you click on close payment profile, this will open a window and it will say the important things that are going to be done if you close the payment profile. Kindly read all the things once and then you need to give the reason. If you are not sure what you need to give, kindly give like I don't need this profile anymore and then you can click continue. So I recommend you, if you are not sure what you are going to give, kindly give I don't this profile anymore and then continue. This is the final reminder what you are going to do. If you have any outstanding balance or your card payments method, it will be removed. So make sure you are okay with that and then click close payment profile. Once you click close payment profile, that's it. The Google will process the procedures and then they will close the AdSense account and close payment method. So this will take some time, so kindly wait. So I'll show you the mails I will be getting from Google. So what I'm going to do is go to my mail ID and show you the mails that I will be getting. So as you can see, the mail is loading, so kindly wait for a few minutes. So now you can see I have received a Google payment profile notification. You can see, right, you have closed your Google payments profile and you're still responsible for our outstanding balance. So you can see 0 minutes ago and again you have received a new mail saying that your account was cancelled. So this is how you will close your account in AdSense. So make sure you follow the entire steps perfectly to achieve this. So once you are done with it, to open the new Google AdSense account, you need to wait for 2 to 3 days at least. Don't go directly to AdSense and create it. It will throw an error. Thanks for watching.